In this video, I'm going to show you how to get auto-generated captions like this, or something like this, or even like this for your YouTube Shorts. I'm Rafael and welcome to the channel where our goal is to always fix it in camera and then finesse it in post. And I have been waiting for YouTube Shorts to add the auto-generated caption feature that is available in Instagram Reels. But as of this recording, it's still not there. And I'm not a big fan of the Premiere Pro auto captioning feature that is there. I just don't really like the look of it. And I didn't want to pay for a third-party app that required a monthly subscription and honestly didn't even look that good. So for now, I'm going to show you my workaround using Instagram Reels. And it's not a straight up download from Instagram because YouTube will not push out with any other branding from a third-party social site in YouTube Shorts. So you have to make sure that no branding is in it. Now, if you want the simplest, you can just download it and upload it to YouTube Shorts, but be warned, it won't get pushed out as much. And in this example, I'll be using Final Cut Pro, but you can use any editor that you would like. So first, make your edit, and once it's done, make sure it's under a minute because YouTube Shorts is only 1 minute. Add a solid black layer over top of everything, or just make the opacity 0. Because we want to export the video with the audio, but just black. Then you transfer it to your phone. So once you transfer it to your phone, go to Instagram and upload a reel. Find the file, double check it, press the add button. Then you go to preview. Hit the sticker button, add captions. It'll transcribe the audio. It'll take a few seconds, and once you're done with that, you can choose your style. I like this one. I tend to make it a little bit bigger, and you want to make sure that you don't bring it too close to the bottom, and this is going to become very important later on. You can double tap on it to change any of the words. And then when you're done, you're all happy with it, and you've chosen the look that you want, press done. And then the next one, if this is your main account, you press next. Don't put it onto your feed, and you don't need to write a caption. You don't need to choose a cover. Then you share to Reels, let it share. And as soon as it's done, you can press the 3 little icons down at the bottom, and you can save to camera roll. And once you're done that, just go back to your feed and just make sure that you delete it from your timeline. That way nobody sees it, it's gone. Then you go to your photos and then transfer it back to your computer. But one thing you'll notice at the bottom, it has that Instagram logo and your handle. So you actually want to make sure that this is the part that we get rid of. So the next step is actually back in Final Cut Pro. So find the file. I typically like to rename it so it's easier to find. Then bring it into Final Cut Pro. Drag it onto your timeline, and make sure for your footage you bring the opacity back up to 100 if you haven't done so already. And one of the first things you'll notice is that it's white text on black. What we want to do is change the blending mode from normal to screen. And this just ignores all the black in the image. That's why we needed to export the image on black initially. And we want to go to crop and crop out the logo at the very bottom. So select the bottom crop and bring it up, and it just crops out the bottom image. We want to go to the transform tool and shrink down the image and place it where it would best suit your video. Double check it, set the in point and out point, and you're ready to export the video. And once you have the video exported, you can upload to video. Just make sure that you uncheck publish to subscriptions and notify subscribers. That way your subscribers won't get a notification that you've uploaded a video through the website. You can also transfer it back to your phone and upload it to Shorts directly from your phone if that works better for you. And unfortunately, Reels is only 1 minute long, so this is really a great workaround for YouTube Shorts to be able to add auto-generated captions to your YouTube Shorts. And because it's only 1 minute, it wouldn't really be practical for longer form videos. But you can use it occasionally throughout your longer videos to really emphasize certain points. Remember to hit the like button because it really does help tell YouTube to share this video. Also, I live stream on my second channel where I deep dive on the creative process as well as freelance financials. As always, thanks for watching.